Compassion fatigue is a common issue among healthcare professionals, especially doctors. It occurs when the demands of caring for patients become too emotionally draining and doctors can no longer feel empathy or motivation to continue with their practice. But fortunately, there are steps that doctors can take to help manage and prevent the effects of compassion fatigue. So first, it's important for us to set healthy boundaries between ourselves and our patients so that we have time for self-care and recovery. Additionally, taking regular breaks from work and engaging in activities outside of work will help you reduce your stress levels. We should also look into taking part in support groups, which can provide a much needed outlet to discuss issues with other colleagues facing similar struggles, and we all do. Finally, making sure to practice self-compassion is important in order to foster resilience and help maintain compassion for others. Hope you enjoyed today's video, my friends. If you really enjoyed this, please make sure you shared it and hit that subscribe button to get tips like this every single day.